Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss history of C++ programming language. So let's get started. Before we learn the history of C++ programming language, let's get some information on history of C programming language. C programming language is derived from P programming language. C programming language is actually P programming language plus data types. Before C programming language, there were programming languages like P programming language and BCPL programming language, which were typeless programming languages. There were no data types in BCPL and P programming language. In C programming language, Mr. Dennis Ritchie introduced various data types and procedures for solving problems. As C comes after the B character in BCPL programming language, as C comes after the B character in alphabetical order, as C programming language has been designed after the B programming language, C character has been chosen to name this new programming language C programming language. Before C programming language, Unix operating system is implemented using assembly level language. To re-implement Unix operating system, Mr. Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Labs around the year 1972 designed C programming language. Most of the Unix operating system parts are implemented using the C programming language. C is a procedure-oriented programming language. It is a structured programming language. If you remember, we discussed about procedure-oriented programming languages already. Procedure-oriented programming languages mainly concentrate on how to solve problems. What is a procedure to solve problems? They don't concentrate on how to manage data, how to represent data efficiently, how to give different level of access to the data. In procedure-oriented programming languages, we know that scope of variables will be either local or global. There is very less protection to the data. Procedure-oriented programming languages follow top-down approach to solve a problem. Procedure-oriented programming languages are not suitable to represent and solve most of the real-world problems. Hence, C programming language influenced to CPP. CPP stands for C++. C++ programming language. To represent real-world entities and solve real-world problems more efficiently, Bjarne Stroustrup at AT&T Bell Labs around the year 1978 designed a programming language known as C++. First, he released a documentation with the name C with classes, which contained that C++ is actually a C programming language plus object-oriented programming concepts like class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Various features are added to C programming language. As C++ is an increment of a C programming language, we write it as C++. In programming language, plus indicates incrementation. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming languages, applications are divided into small units known as entities or objects. Object-oriented programming languages concentrate not only on how to solve problems, they concentrate on data, how to manage data, how to represent data efficiently, how to give different level of access to the data. Various features they concentrate. But there are few limitations with respect to C++ we have. C++ is platform dependent with respect to executable files. C++ is source platform independent, but C++ is executable platform dependent. That means a executable created on one platform will not be executed on another platform or can't be executed on another platform. C++ has explicit pointers, which is threat to security of data. C++ has no garbage collection. That means it is programmer's responsibility to collect the garbage. C++ has no safe multiple inheritance. Everything is not part of an object in C++. Most of the things we can write free out of the object. Hence, to create more pure object-oriented programming languages, C++ influenced to C#, Java, etc. C# and Java are pure object-oriented programming languages where everything is part of an object. They are memory managed. Programmer need not to worry about garbage collection. In C# and Java, they removed explicit pointers. We find implicit pointers. In C# we have, in the unsafe mode, we can still use explicit pointers. C# and Java are platform independent. In C# and Java, we find safe multiple inheritance. Safe multiple inheritance is achieved by using interfaces in C# and Java. In 1998, C++ is standardized by ISO. International Organization for Standardization, which is known as C++98. C++98 is a standardized version of C++. In 2003, new version of standard C++ is released with the name C++03. In 2011, C++11 is released with new features added. In 2014, extension to C++11 is released with the name C++14. This is a brief history of C++. I hope you guys have understood history of C++. For this tutorial, this much is enough, friends. In the next tutorial, we get more information on C++ programming language. For more benefits, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.